In front of me is Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, you need to open Settings, then find and select General, and here click on Dictionary right here. And as you can see, you can mark as many dictionaries as only you want to. Obviously you can unmark them as well, but if you'd like to pick just one particular dictionary, just choose it and then unmark another one. So as you can see, at first it will be downloaded because I don't have Chinese here yet, and then it will be applied. As you can see, the list of dictionaries is a long one, so you can pick anything you want. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.